Shia LaBeouf becomes the Marvel Cinematic Universe's Wolverine in a new piece of X-Men fan art. A recent rumor online stated that Disney wanted to cast LaBeouf in the MCU. Naturally, this led to a lot of fan speculation which imagined the actor playing superheroes such as Moon Knight or mutants like Bobby Drake AKA Iceman.
Living in the woods, Shia LaBeouf. Killing for sport, Shia LaBeouf. Eating all the bodies. Actual cannibal Shia LaBeouf.
Marvel fan casting has become a regular occurrence since Disney acquired 20th Century Fox in 2019. The deal brought the X-Men and Fantastic Four under Marvel Studios' umbrella. Kevin Feige confirmed plans to eventually implement the X-Men into the MCU at last year's San Diego Comic-Con. That said, all of the beloved characters from Fox's X-Men franchise will need to be recast, except for Ryan Reynolds' Deadpool. In the franchise's 19 years, no performance has become more revered than Hugh Jackman as Logan AKA Wolverine, making it near impossible to imagine another actor in the role. Of course, certain actors' names always gets tossed around, of which LeBeouf is one of the more recent suggestions. Famed internet artist Boss Logic recently posted a picture to Twitter depicting LeBeouf as Wolverine. This new piece of fan art sees LeBeouf sporting adamantium claws, a pair of bleeding bullet holes, and smoking a signature cigar. The rendition looks surprisingly perfect, although, as the artist admits, it kind of looks like Jackman. In the past, fans have elected more conventional choices like Keanu Reeves, Tom Hardy, and Henry Cavill to don the claws. However, all of this would be a moot point if Jackman ever decides to return as the character. Despite adamantly retiring from the role following 2017's Pitch Perfect send-off Logan, Jackman has expressed interest in appearing alongside the Avengers in the past. A clever cameo idea, complied with Reynolds constantly badgering of Jackman to return, could be enough to see him reprise the role, or so we hope. Regardless, it will be a long time before we see an actor take on the gargantuan task of filling Jackman's shoes. LeBeouf isn't the most traditional choice to play Wolverine, having largely departed from mainstream cinema since his Transformers days. Still, the prospect of seeing LeBeouf in the MCU is intriguing. LeBeouf has become renowned for going to controversial lengths to get into character, from removing a tooth and not bathing for David Ayer's Fury to getting his chest tattooed for the tax collector. Ayer reportedly approached LeBeouf about playing a role in Suicide Squad back in 2014, but Warner Brothers thought the actor was too crazy, which is ironic considering all the things Jared Leto did to become the Joker. While LeBeouf's reputation has certainly improved since then, he's been pretty forthcoming about his disinterest in big-budget franchises moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. For more content, subscribe to Wonderment.